In this video, we will learn about how to update your Wi-Fi on your Qubo Video Doorbell. Let's get started. If you've moved to a new location or changed your Wi-Fi password, you'll need to update it on your device. Make sure your device is switched on. Open the Qubo app. Tap on the light player, go to Settings icon and locate Wi-Fi settings. If you're using iOS and already connected to the desired network, proceed. If not, first connect to the desired Wi-Fi. Before we proceed, let's learn how to choose the best Wi-Fi network. For optimal performance, smart devices require a strong and stable network connection. Nowadays, network providers usually offers two frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. While 5 GHz offers faster speed, the 2.4 GHz band provides better range, making it ideal for smart devices. For example, your available Wi-Fi might display as ABC and ABC_5G. For smart devices like the Qubo Video Doorbell, we recommend connecting to hybrid networks such as ABC in this case, as it supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. In cases where your Wi-Fi operates only on 2.4 GHz frequency, you may go ahead and connect to it. If you are using Video Doorbell Pro, it is compatible with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. However, we recommend using hybrid networks or 2.4 GHz for better range and connectivity. But if you are using Video Doorbell or Ultra version, it is compatible with 2.4 GHz only. Wi-Fi signals can vary due to obstacles like walls and pillars. To ensure a strong connection, it's important to test the signal strength where your device is located. You can do this by performing a speed test on your phone at the device's location. If the signal is weak, try relocating your router for better coverage. Coming back to the process, for Video Doorbell Pro users, step up to your device and carefully unscrew it from the top. Turn it around to locate the reset button. Once you find it, press and hold it for 2 seconds to initiate Wi-Fi reset. Holding the button longer will trigger a factory reset. In that case, please go to Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to try again. If you are Video Doorbell or a Video Doorbell Ultra user, carefully unscrew it from the top. Then locate the reset button at the bottom and press it with a SIM ejector tool for 2 seconds. If you are an iOS user, enter your Wi-Fi credentials carefully. Use the password visibility eye icon to verify that the entered password is correct. If you are using an Android device, select your desired Wi-Fi network from the available connections. Now scan the QR code by placing it in front of the device. Ensure the phone screen is intact. Set the screen brightness to maximum. Switch to white theme if you are using dark. Avoid direct sunlight. If you followed all the steps correctly, you'll hear
QR code scanned. Please wait.
If not, double check everything and try again. And that's how the process gets completed and your Wi-Fi is updated. If the device prompts internet not available, try restarting your Wi-Fi route. If the device prompts SSID is incorrect, then verify your Wi-Fi password and username. If you see incorrect QR code message, it means you accidentally press reset button for more than 2 seconds. This causes the device to generate a QR code for resetting rather than for connecting to the updated Wi-Fi network. If the issue persists, contact our support team.